How's it going, guys? Welcome back to ASAS Studio. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make an headlight. So let's get started. First thing first, grab your brush tool and make sure the foreground color is white and create a new empty layer. And once you've done that, creating a new empty layer, grab your brush tool, like I said, make it smaller. Go to your brush tool settings and make sure the hardness is 100% and your size, just leave the size, but make the size the same size with this. So I'm just going to make it the same. Click on it, and then this one as well, click on it. So this is what you're going to be doing. Open up the blending option, and then we're going to remove it from underlaying layer, from the dark side of the underlaying layer. So like this, do you have something like this? And you can split it up to create a smooth transition like that, and it's okay on the keyboard. Alright, so another one, we're going to create it again, Ctrl J, and change the blending mode to screen. And this time we're going to go to filter, go to blur, Gaussian blur. So we're going to blur that one out, not too much. Let's start blurring it. Let's blur it to where we have it like this, and then click OK. So turn it off and on. You can see the effect on it, off and on. So you just brighten up things a little bit. Now once you've done that, we're going to create another layer, empty layer, and make the brush size bigger, like the edge of the lamp, like this, and make it bigger as well here. Alright, so now double click, open up the blending option, and we're going to remove it from underlaying layer, still the same on the blacker side, just like this. Split it up, and then like this, so that we can see inside. So like this, and it's okay on the keyboard. Now go to filter, go to blur, Gaussian blur, and we're going to blur it out just a bit, and it's okay. So now we're almost there. Go ahead, create another new layer, empty layer, and make sure this time around the light is bigger, and like this and like this. And we're going to go to blur, filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and then we're going to blur it. So something like this. It's okay on the keyboard. Double click to open up the blending option, and let's take it away from the dark side, not just the dark side. Hold down Alt, spread it up like that. So something like this, and from the white side as well, bring it down, and it's okay on the keyboard. So now since we have this, I'm going to create another layer, make it bigger, 1 and 2. So go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and then we're going to blur it. Let's blur it like this. It's okay. You can decrease the fill. So something like this. Create one last empty layer, and we're going to make the brush bigger. Click and click. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and then we're going to blur it real I blur value, and then click OK on the keyboard. Now once you have that, go ahead with the opacity and take it down a little till it looks real. So let's zoom out, and here we go with your headlight. So since you can turn off the ones you are not getting to see very well, so something like this. So that's one. I'm going to get there and then decrease the opacity a bit. So let's just increase it to like 19. I'm going to group everything together and then show you before and after. So thank you guys for watching. This is how to create your headlight. If you find the video helpful, let me know in the comment section.